the following example you will see an Industry 4.0 application which is based on a distributed architecture. To meet today's demands in security, speed, flexibility, and cost efficiency, you need to work with distributed integration techniques. With a distributed solution, the data transfer can follow the shortest route and leverage existing hardware that the data sources already are running on. This type of edge computing is key for real-time solutions because data latency is too long if the data must be transferred via logic in a cloud. You want to manage two types of information flows. 1. Hot data, the real-time point-to-point edge flows. 2. Cold data, the analytic streams where relevant data is transferred to a central analytic tool for contextual analysis and learning for later distribution of new algorithms which should be executed in real time at the edge.
I think the best way to perhaps get into this would be to actually start seeing this in action. The first demo we want to show you is from a company, Sandvik, which is a Swedish industrial automation company, 150 years old, 43,000 people in the company.
The machine that you see costs over $1 million. It has over 900 moving parts. Any of those parts that break down could cause an interruption to that machine. And this machine doesn't exist in isolation. It exists in factories. And there's many of these machines in a factory. And so downtime to one machine can cause cascading failures to the factory and delays that cost millions of dollars per hour. So here you see both the factory floor and the edge devices, as well as the cloud. Sandvik has software that's running on these machines, and the software is collecting telemetry from these devices and sending them to IoT Hub in a secure, scalable, two-way communication. Once the telemetry is through Azure IoT Hub, they're using a combination of stream analytics and machine learning to determine the maintenance needs of these machines and keep them running, and also to trigger a shutdown in the case of a pending damage to the machine. And so when that happens, they simply trigger an Azure function, which calls through Azure IoT Hub and then down to the devices themselves.